IT conference is a WCO's major event, and this is the 16th version, meaning that we started 16 years ago, believing that for customers modernization, technology is crucial. And so information and communication technology has developed over the past 16 years, and every year we see new features, and we try to catch up. We try to offer the opportunity for customers to catch up, and also the private sector, business solution companies, to offer their opportunity to consult with customers to jointly develop the solution. Because customers' operation is based on risk management, but risk management on what? It is based on data. Therefore, how to analyze, how to first collect data and get to data mining and data analysis is the key to modern customs operations. And here we would like to have experience of other custom administrations, and also business can tell us how to use data more efficiently. So this is this will shape the future of customs and also custom business partnership in terms of how to deal with the data.
The customs agencies want connectivity, seamless interoperability between different devices, not just a Smiths device or a NukeTech device to a NukeTech device, but they want all these systems to be able to connect and talk to one another, taking all that data up to a central location where somebody can make an informed decision. So it's about connectivity across multiple suppliers and multiple devices, and it's about the use of automatic threat detection algorithms to help the officer in the decision-making process in terms of looking for anomalies inside the containers.
E-commerce is growing significantly, and it's going to keep growing in the next years. Last year it grew more than 20%, and that's basically the case in the last years. And right now we have the challenge in customs and how to manage that, and the opportunity for business to grow and to have access to a global market without being a huge company. So basically right now the SMEs, the small and medium companies, they have a platform that allows them to have access to any market and to sell their products to any market. That gives them some benefits and some opportunities, but they will need the countries to fulfill the requirements.
I think we've had a very interesting panel discussing governmental issues that can be a challenge, but from the data standards point of view, I would point to the fact that the trade data has its own standards and the regulatory data has its own standards. So the biggest challenge for me is to how to bring those two together so they understand the same data the same way.
We're here at the WCO. In other industries that are doing different but slightly similar things, they have developed interesting solutions. So it's very much that the technologies can be adapted. If blockchain can work for land registry or medical records, for this at a technological level, it's very much a similar problem, but just for a new business.
Company data can give tax administrations and customs administrations the full visibility of the multinational group so as to understand all the connections and the potential links with countries that are restricted and with beneficial owners and individuals that can potentially have sanctions and potential risk issues.
The recent cyber attack of the WannaCry is just an example. There are numerous attacks, there are new attacks, new variants, and this happens on a day-to-day basis. Organizations need to realize that focusing on a single event is going to be a patch, that's it. They need to invest in a proper process to secure the organization, secure its assets. It's a process, people, and technology, and that is those three pillars combine the entire landscape. And just having the technology part without the process and without the people will not work.
Blockchain is a secure measure of storing information and securing the propagation of this information. So it's bulletproof, it's a system that is unhackable, and it allows you to store your transactional data or historical transactional data in a very safe manner.
Blockchain can improve the supply chain security, integrity, and transparency. So this not only help the businesses, customers can also benefit to improve our trade facilitation.
As you know, we're pioneer to use the blockchain technology in Georgian governmental sector as well. We are pioneers in whole world related to the property registration and using the technology for property registration. And we use the Bitcoin network. And why we use the Bitcoin network? We use this because the Bitcoin is the largest place where, and this cryptocurrency use blockchain technology, and this is the largest one.
The most successful projects were those which included the whole community, those who belong to the air cargo supply chain. It starts with the shippers, it goes to the forwarders, airports and airlines, and only when all of them are together, when they share information, when they learn together,